Well, let's do problem number 2. In State X, Mr. Camp's 8th grade class, consisting of 26 students, was surveyed, and 34.6% of the students reported they had at least 2 siblings. The average 8th grade class size in the state is 26. If the students in Mr. Camp's class are representative of the students in the state's 8th grade class, God bless you, and there are 1,800 8th grade classes in the state, which of the following best estimates the number of 8th grade students in the state who have fewer than 2 siblings? All right, so this is another thinking cap one. God bless you. It says it's given that we have 34.6% of 26 students that have at least 2 siblings, right? So since 36.4% of 26, let's figure out what that number is. 34.6 as a decimal is 0.346, and there are 26 students. So if we take 26 and multiply it by that number, we should get 8.996. Actually, I don't need to approximate. I think it's actually 8.96. All right. And so we'll round that up to 9. So there must have been 9 students in the class who reported of having at least 2, but 17. So the complement of that, right? If 9 kids have at least 2, because there's 26 kids. Oops, there's 26 kids. So I have to subtract 9 from that. That means that 17 kids have 2 or less, which is really what we're looking for, fewer than 2 siblings. Okay? All right, so now what percentage is that? Well, we could do the complement, but what we want to do is, we're not quite done yet. So the other thing that they tell us is that the 8th grade class size in the state, the average is 26, and that Mr. Camp's class is representative of all 8th graders in the state. This means that in each 8th grade class in the state, there are about 17 students who have fewer than 2 siblings. Now, what I mean by that is this. It's not an accident. They rigged the problem. He has 26 students. The average class size is 26. Then they tell us there are 1,800 classes. Well, each class has about 17 students that have fewer than 2. So if I wanted to approximate that, what numbers should I use and what do I do with them?
17 times 18.
Yeah. If I say 17 times 1,800, that would be a good approximation. Okay? So what is that? Well, if we do that on the calculator, it's 30,600. Does that make sense?